Once upon a time in the quirky town of Echoville, young James found himself caught in the whirlwind of a trashy dilemma. His parents, the eco-conscious champions of the neighborhood, assigned him the seemingly mundane chore of taking out the trash. Little did James know, this task would unveil a much bigger problem. As James diligently executed his duty, he couldn't help but notice the countless plastic bottles he used for epic bottle-flipping stunts. The thrill of those mid-air acrobatics soon turned into guilt as he pondered the fate of his discarded bottles. In a fit of curiosity, James embarked on a quest to discover the mysterious journey of his trash. Armed with a superhero cape and a magnifying glass, he followed the garbage man, Captain Cleanup, to unravel the secrets of the rubbish route. To his shock and dismay, James witnessed Captain Cleanup's truck making a pit stop near a pristine beach. The once crystal-clear waters now sparkled with fragments of plastic, a heartbreaking testament to the town's collective oversight. Driven by newfound purpose, James rallied the townspeople, transforming Ecoville into a bustling hub of eco-warriors. The community initiated waste reduction initiatives, composting campaigns, and banned single-use plastics. James became a local legend, donning his cape proudly as the savior of Ecoville. Awareness soared as the town united to tackle the global issue of ocean pollution. They organized beach cleanups, painted murals depicting marine life, and even created an annual Trash to Treasure festival, turning discarded items into art. James, now known as Captain Eco, stood on the podium during the town's Eco Awards ceremony, asking the pivotal question, "Where is the garbage man taking my trash?" His inquiry sparked a chain reaction, inspiring neighboring towns to reevaluate their waste management practices. In the end, Ecoville not only cleaned up its act, but also emerged as a beacon of environmental responsibility. And so, James's bottle-flipping days were behind him, replaced by a legacy of positive change that rippled beyond the quirky town and into the vast ocean of possibilities.